mommy. Okay, I need to wash my school clothes. Oh, mommy!
Yes, honey. What is it?
We need to buy a new powder detergent.
Why?
Because there's no more left.
Okay.
Okay. Mommy, can I have some money to buy a new powder detergent?
I only have 20 ringgit.
Is it enough, mommy?
Usually it costs below than 20 ringgit. Don't worry.
Okay, if you said so.
Hi, the objective of our one sample test is we want to see if there is enough evidence that on average the price of powder detergent with weight 3 to 4 kg is lesser than 20.
The methodology for our one sample t-test is we use direct observation as our data collection method, and the data was obtained from Laundry Essentials at Giant. A sample of 16 powder detergent with weight 3 to 4 kg was selected from Giant using convenient sampling method. On September 16, 2017, we went to Giant and selected the first 16 powder detergent with weight 3 to 4 kg and recorded the prices.
Step 1. Our H0 is the average price of powder detergent with the weight of 3 to 4 kilograms is equal to 20 ringgits, while our H1 is the average price of powder detergent with the weight of 3 to 4 kilograms is lesser than 20 ringgits. Therefore, this is a one-tailed test. For step 2, the level of significance used here is 0.05. Therefore, alpha is 0.05.
Based on the SPSS output table, our p-value is 0.834 and the average price of powder detergent with weight 3 to 4 kg is 20 ringgit and 79 cents. Step 4. Our p-value is 0.834, but remember, this is a one-tailed test, so we need to divide it by 2. So now, our p-value is 0.417, while our alpha is 0.05. Comparing alpha and p-value is larger than the alpha. Therefore, we do not reject the H now. Our conclusion is we do not have enough evidence to support that on average, the price of our powder detergent with weight 3 to 4 kg is less than 20 ringgit.
Wait, are you okay? What are you doing? This is coffee, not beer.
What type of coffee do you drink?
Oh, I drink hard coffee.
Mine is Nescafe. Where did you buy?
Oh, I buy it at my day.
Oh, I buy it at Giant. I think coffee price at Giant is cheaper than my day.
Oh, I thought that the price is just the same.
Do you think so? Let's take a survey of the coffee price.
Hey, Sarah, what are you looking for? Just take it back.
Okay, I'm looking for this.
Oh, coffee. I'm coffee number 2. How much is this?
Well, it's a little bit pricey here, but I usually get it for my name. But never mind that, I'm in need of coffee right now, and there are so many things to be submitted by tomorrow.
Oh, well, for me, I've always get this from Giant. It's a lot cheaper than compared to my name. I think so.
Is that really? I thought there's no difference between them.
You want to take a survey for this?
Yeah, sure, why not? How about this weekend?
I'll do that.
baru.
This is
Oh, this is him. I'm searching for coffee. Do you want autograph?
Sambutlah cintaku duhai sayang.
Hello guys! In this observational study, we are interested in investigating the prices of coffees in two different stores, which are My Date and Giant, and they are located at Subang Jaya. In particular, we want to find out if, on average, the prices of coffees in My Date are more expensive than the average of prices of coffee in Giant.
our methodology is we use direct observation as our data collection method. On 16 September 2017, we went to the Maidin and Giant supermarket, which were located at Subang Jaya. A sample of 13 coffees from Maidin and Giant with the same brands were selected using convenience sampling method, or as there was only 13 brands of coffees with similar brands in both supermarkets. Since there are various categories of coffee sampling consisting different number of sticks, therefore we specified the range of the number of sticks, which are from 15 to 20 sticks. But we didn't specify the type of coffee's brands. We recorded the price of the selected packet of coffee and we make a comparison between them.
Next, we move to the paired sample t-test. For step 1, state the hypothesis. Now hypothesis is My Date is equal to Giant, while alternative hypothesis is My Date is greater than Giant. Hence, it is a one-field test. For step 2, the level of significance. Alpha used here is 0.05. That means that confidence interval is equal to 95%.
From the output table, we can see that average price of coffee at Maidin is 13 ringgit and 78 cent, while at Giant is 12 ringgit and 96 cent. That the average price of coffee at Maidin is higher than the average price of coffee at Giant. But is it significantly high?
According to the SPS at output, we find that the p-value is 0.217, and since this is a one-tailed test, then the value is divided by 2. Our alpha is 0.05 and our actual p-value is 0.1085. The p-value is bigger than alpha, thus we do not reject the rationale.
We do not have enough evidence to support that the average price of coffee at Maidin is higher than the average price of coffee at Giant.
Azima, you know about that? Yeah. Why? Look at this page is better. Look at that. Yeah, it's 4 kilo too. This is also 4 kilo. Look at the price. We cannot differentiate the price. You can see how this cake.
It's the same because it's the same brand.
No, okay.
It's the same brand.
Yeah, but this is better and this is easier to use.
No, this is better.
No.
This is better.
I prefer
this.
No.
You will regret if you buy this.
Okay, fine. That's fine.
In this observational study, we are interested in investigating two types of detergent that consist of powder detergent and liquid detergent.
In particular, we want to find out if on average the price of powdered detergent is not equal to the price of liquid detergent.
The methodology used in this investigation is we use direct observation as our data collection method. On 16 September 2017, we went to Giant in Subang Jaya to obtain the data. 6 types of powder detergent
And 6 types of liquid detergent
were chosen for this investigation. We choose the types of detergent that have both in liquid and powder form. The type of t-test used in this investigation is independent t-test because we want to investigate 2 sets of data from 2 unrelated groups of detergent that consist of powder detergent and liquid detergent. Then we compare the average price of both of the detergents. So in this investigation, we used 2-tailed tests because we tested if the price of powder detergent is different from the price of liquid detergent. Step 1. H now is average price of powder equals to the average price of liquid, while H alternative is average price of powder is not equals to the average price of liquid.
So, this is a 2-tailed test. Next, proceed with step 2. Step 2. The level of significance used here is 0.05. So, the alpha is 0.05. That's all.
From the output table, we can see that the sample means of both powder and liquid detergents are 18 ringgit and 12 cents and 21 ringgit 87 cents respectively. This means that the average price of both powder and liquid detergents are different. But is it a significant difference?
Our alpha is equal to 0.05, while our p-value is equal to 0.223.
P is bigger than alpha. Therefore, we do not reject H null. In step 5, we do not have enough evidence to conclude that the average price of powder detergent and liquid detergent are different.